Hello and welcome to our OpsStack demo. This is a quick overview of all the pieces and parts of OpsStack, our unified cloud operations platform. And we're just going to do a real quick run through to show you the major pieces. This, of course, is the dashboard. We have a System Explorer, which takes you through all the different pieces of your system. So you can see all of the systems, the servers, the services, all the logins, different alerts, our audit results, all the different CMDB components, the history, contacts, and so on. So this gives you just a general overview. You can dive in, dig in, do troubleshooting, and so on right from here. We also have different information about your account, your contacts, your keys, so you can access clouds, SSH, and so on. You also can access systems directly, because remember, OpsStack is designed to manage large-scale systems where you may have e-commerce, advertising, backup, test, development, different clouds, deployments, and so on. So we keep all those separate in what we call systems. We also have our tech centers. This is where you can do deep troubleshooting of things like MySQL, Linux, Apache, and so on. So this gives you real information about all the different services that are running and very detailed information. For example, for a DBA to use MySQL, we can dig into DB, queries, performance, you have graphs, you have alerts, you have audit results, best practices, compliance, sort of different summaries, health, performance, lots of different information. We can jump to logs. We can do lots of different things here to really help you troubleshoot, tune, and manage each individual service, Linux, Apache, Mongo, Redis. We have Oracle, SQL Server, Java stuff, Tomcat, and so on. We also have deep monitoring systems. So of course we can give you alerts, where you can dive in, see what happened. You can jump off to our Troubleshooting Center so you can see all of the different details. This includes, of course, links to our tech centers, our real-time information, graphs, logs, alert history, system-wide alerts. We have our actions and automation system. We have our expert system for help you troubleshooting, help you find root cause, and so on. Lots of different pieces of information. We also can jump to our graphs, where we can dynamically build graph systems. They look at your system and inspect all the different services running and can build graphs based on that. In this case, Nginx, Linux, different things. We also can choose different servers and then look at things like Apache, Docker, Nginx, Java, and so on to have a more detailed view of sort of the graphs and information for that. Also can look at configuration and all the different things that are sort of happening across your servers. We also have centralized logging. So we collect all the logs from not only your OSs, but also CloudTrail, cloud information, also the services like MySQL, HTTP, and so on. So you can select different servers, services, different log types. For example, you can get kernel logs or cron logs or daemon logs. You can search these, you can take time. We also can do fingerprinting, and pretty soon we'll have statistics and anomaly detection. We, of course, have Docker support. So for individual systems, you can see what's running. You can see all the different Docker containers. You can see their size, resource usage, images. Eventually, you'll be able to start, stop, and dive in here, more information. We can do CI/CD. We can do more automation. Our Action Center actually can do different types of automation for different systems. So you can have scheduled jobs. You can go check what's there. You can run things in parallel. You can do deployments. You can upgrade software. You can check things. You can troubleshoot from here. You can do a lot of things without ever having to log into the system. And eventually this will drive our auto healing and other pieces and parts. We also have cloud centers. So for example, for AWS, we can look at all the different pieces that are running. We actually can build trees of all your different resources. We can look tags, different types of reports. We can do EC2, look at all the things that are running. S3 buckets, IAM, reports, security. We also have best practices, audit and compliance. We can do searching. We also support Alien, other audits. Coming soon is our design system, where right now we have audit and compliance, but pretty soon you can do reverse, forward, and change engineering for the whole system. We also have reporting. So overall, this is a very robust system, and I didn't even dive into a lot of the deep look you can do at, sort of troubleshooting, performance, slow logs, and lots of different things. OpsStack really is a very robust system, has hundreds of features that bring together all the pieces and parts that ops engineers need to run their systems in their life on a day-to-day basis. Thank you very much, and we hope you'll try OpsStack.